When your vehicle is parked, the Park Assist helps you to exit the parking space. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and open the Remote Park Assist app. You should be within 3 meters of the car. Select your vehicle. Then enter the direction of travel. A few movements on the display starts the engine. Then remove your finger from the display. You can start the exit procedure with continuous circular movements on the phone screen. Keep a sharp eye on the vehicle's surroundings during the entire process. Once the car is out far enough, take your finger off the display and the car stops immediately. Finish the process on the smartphone, then you can enter the car and drive off as usual.